guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can make your videos look like it's in a music video by using the new Relight feature on CapCut PC. So select your video. This is a pro feature before y'all come at me. It's on basic, and you're just going to select Relight Pro. They have facial, ambient, and creative. So this one's like basically just two colors, well, three in this case. You can also like adjust the intensity here, and you can also change the color if you want like a pink tone here, and then here as well I want it to be like purple, and then here I want it to be, I don't know, like green. You can definitely change that. You can also change the intensity of it here, and you can select either the people or the background as the object, or both. You can also do it here. You can also add another light point and maybe place it like here, I guess, and adjust the intensity of that. There's also like the brightness of it as well. You can also adjust the radius of it here, as you can see, and the distance as well. The highlights are like for the parts of the like body. I like to usually choose just like the both object and background, but if you want just for the people, it also works as well. They also have like this creative one which moves, and here you can see that it moves around. And there's also this one, again it moves as well. This one also moves as well, but you can't change the colors for these ones. Well, let's just go back to the ambient lighting and like select one that looks cool. I think this one looks good. I'm just going to change it to like a blue color, and this one could be like a green one. Then here I'm just going to go to highlights, and I'm just going to adjust the highlights because I want a lot on here. You can also adjust the brightness like of the video and adjust the intensity of these colors right here, and like you can even move it around. And that is it. I hope the tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you find this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.